To the ingredients, we have some grounded crayfish, onions, ginger, and 1 habanero pepper, seasoning cubes, salt, some bush pepper for flavor, more taste. And to my vegetable, I'll be using sweet bitter leaf, but feel free to use any vegetable that you have. And I have my smoked mackerel. There's a video on how I did it, you can check. So since over here we don't have the palmnut that we boil to pound, we are using the paste that has been made already. So next I will put it in a pot, put water in the container, shake it, make sure everything is out, and then cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes. If today is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you would be notified. After 10 minutes, I will add my blended onion, ginger, and pepper, some salt, some Maggi, give it a good stir, cover, and let it cook for about 5 minutes. For those of you who might be wondering where I got the paste from, the palmnut paste, I got it from an African shop. So if you have any African shop around you, just check and I'm sure you will find it there. So the other ingredients, I will put them all in the description box below. After 5 minutes, add the bitter leaf, the fish, and the crayfish. Then give it a stir. While stirring it, please be careful so that your fish will not get scattered in the soup. But if you don't have fish for this recipe, you can as well use meat or anything that you prefer. I mean, any protein you would prefer. You mustn't use fish, but I love BANGA soup with fish because it tastes better. Lastly, I added the bush pepper, after which I will cover the pot and let it cook again for a while. After 5 minutes, I open, and once you start seeing oil like this, it's a sign that your BANGA soup is almost ready. At this point, I will give it a stir, have a taste to make sure that all my ingredients are just enough for me, and also the thickness. So if you want it thicker, if you want it lighter, it all depends on you. So I did not put any measurement of the water that I used because you just want to make it the way you want it, depending on what you want to use it to eat with. Because you can use BANGA soup to eat it with gari, you can eat it with rice. So if you want to eat it with rice, probably you will want to make it a bit lighter. So after stirring and making sure that everything, the taste is okay for me, I will cover and let it cook again for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, guys, you can see oil all over on top of the soup, which means the soup is ready. And the next thing you have to do is to serve and enjoy. If you have been watching this video till this moment, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share, and leave a comment if you try the recipe. And until I see you in my next video, stay safe, keep loving one another. God bless. Bye.